is I added a little bit of indicator, okay, into this, and it changed that color to this sort of darkish blue. By seeing if I can first do a color change before I add the dry ice. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of this liquid, and it does look like water, but it's not water, to this first beaker to see if it changes the color of this beaker. It may or may not, but we'll see. Let's kind of mix it up, okay? It looks like it's getting a little bit more violet, a little bit more in the kind of violet area. It started off kind of blue, now it's looking kind of violet. And I'm gonna add a little bit of the liquid to this beaker and see what happens. Okay, so it was purplish, and it looks like it's still kind of purplish, but I don't know, it looks kind of like a dirty purple. But let's see what happens when I put dry ice into both of them, and I'll try and do it at the same time. Now, should I handle dry ice with my hands? Probably not if I'm not gonna get rid of it very quickly. So I'm okay to pick up one of these pieces with my hands as long as I don't hold on to it for very long. So I'm just kind of like moving it in my hand. It should be good because it's subliming, and so that means it's, you know, creating a gas. And when I drop it in here, let's see what happens. Ready? Well, that's pretty cool, that fog, right? But did you see, I'll kind of move the beakers. See the color, oh, wait, you can't even see the color change because of the fog, right? My wife's blowing on the fog, but that really does help, for sure. So you can see it does kind of lighten up in the purple, more back to that blue. And this one is kind of turning like a pinkish color. Beautiful, beautiful, isn't that beautiful? And the color change is due to the carbonic acid that I'm making in the beakers. So that's really, really cool. Look, we can almost hide Chemical Kim. And just to let you know, when I handle dry ice with water, I actually warm up water, because the warmer the water, your dry ice will be utilized a lot quicker, of course, because you know you're warming it up, so it's going to sublime a lot quicker. And these are the molecules. So this is my CO2. Okay, that's my CO2. And then don't get wet. I get it. It's water. That's our water molecule, making some carbonic acid. But for the most part, most of the CO2 is leaving my beaker. And the reason I see all that fog is because of the water, right? And what's also cool is look at that, turn yellow. Oh my gosh, did you see that? Here I'm chatting away, and I don't know if any of you caught that, but this one ended up turning yellow. Beautiful. And this one still kind of stayed pink.